Yo, what's up world? Today I'm gonna show you how it looks the current situation in Kuta, Bali, world famous Kuta, Bali. The more popular areas and less popular areas, so I think everybody will find something interesting for yourself. So stay tuned, sit, relax and enjoy. Alright, so we are starting today from famous Paddy and Bounty discotheque, and we are heading into Kuta direction. On the right now, just now is LXXY bar club, unfortunately closed, like any competitions on the left, like Paddy's and Banti and everything. Obviously it must be closed during the current condition. And in general, streets of Kuta, this is still Legian Street actually, but the Kuta district already, so technically Kuta is really deserted, I could say. Nothing new. The one guy always comment, you are showing always the same and it's nothing new. Well, it's nothing new, my friend. If you don't like, just, nothing I can do. It for many of people who really miss Bali, you really appreciate, I hope so, what I do, and today's vlog also. However, that's how it looks, the situation in Legian Street in Kuta right now. I just slow down a little bit to let the people drive the car, because some people maybe are in rush. I have a time, and that's how it looks. This is already the corner. At the front is the bar open for takeaway, and we are heading now into Kuta direction. So all the time straight is the Kuta Square and then Kuta Beach. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the area over here. Somewhere here is also Warung Smade, the first one, the most legendary one, when Kuta was just the village, like 50 years ago. Maybe not everyone are familiar with that, but Kuta just was the small village, the fisherman village, and become the heart of the tourism industry in Bali, world famous Kuta city. Just in 50 years. But obviously 50 years ago, world looks completely different than it looks now, and in many countries and places looks different also. But meanwhile, let's focus about Kuta, and that's how it looks, situation right here right now today. As you see, the street is super quiet. Obviously, not many businesses are open, not many people around. As the past days, I make a vlog starting from Seminyak, Legian, and now Kuta is today. I have to be honest with you, as Kuta is the most deserted area to compare to Legian and Seminyak. Okay, right now, if you go straight, is Kuta Beach, and now we are going into Kuta Square. As you see, the situation in Kuta Square is how it is. I mentioned this place in my vlogs already for many times. Even last time on my birthday, I walk around and you saw the situation. Basically looks the same, pretty quiet. Matahari, everybody always comment about the Matahari. This is kind of big tragic around. It's closed permanently. And now I want to show you something new now today, because I'm driving by car, I have to go around. But this is also a good opportunity to show you the part of Kuta what actually I never show you on the vlog, and I don't think so many other people, YouTubers, show you around. So basically we go straight right now, and this is the back side of the mall of Matahari. Usually delivery going on the left, right here. And this is more likely local part of Kuta. There are some 3-star hotels around, some local warungs, local restaurants, guest houses, and some residential areas, like you could rent somehow kind of apartment. And now, very interesting fact, at the front is Zia Hotel, or ZIA, or something like that. This is the hotel when Nyoman, maybe you guys remember Nyoman from, I make an interview with Nyoman like half year ago. He used to work in this hotel. Unfortunately, hotel is closed and Nyoman lost the job, and situation looks like that. He's now having some part-time jobs time to time, Maybe I will try to meet him one day again. I hope so, but not now. During the current situation, it's not possible. But maybe when everything come back to normal. Anyway, there are rumors around internet as the current lockdown. Actually, this is not like 100% lockdown. This is like a limited activities, stuff like this, limitations, and they planning to extend this for another 6 weeks. So that doesn't sound really good. I hope so. It's not gonna be like that. It's just only rumors. However, we have to wait. And meanwhile, that's how it looks, the small street. And then we are heading into the one-way road, just at the front of Kuta Rock City. This is like a local warung, very famous on this street. There are already so many warungs, hotels, shops, stuff like this. Basically, if you're heading this road straight, is Legian Street, but this is one-way road, so from Legian Street you cannot go straight, but now you can go heading into Legian Street, and as you see, many local people living around on the left, on the right, and basically right now straight is Legian Street again. If you're going left is Kuta, and now we are heading more likely into direction of main streets in Kuta. But this is only short stroll. They are more likely local area, but still money changers, restaurants, stuff like this. And this is the one-way road. Also, if you're gonna go right, you cannot drive right, but if you could, there is the airport, and this is already the main street. There are banks here. This is like a center of industry, let's say, in Kuta. Not really touristy one, but still Kuta city. And then if you go straight is the bypass road, the Sunset Road, but we are going right. And over here there are also some hotels, some temple here on the right, and more likely local life in Kuta. This is something between Kuta and Tuban, actually, if I have to be honest with you. I'm not sure 100% if it's Tuban already, but close to Tuban. This is Buddhist Temple on the right. Interesting fact. And there's like a Planet Ban when it's Banker, where is garage, you can fix your motorbike, some Circle K shop. Here is the hotel on the left. I think it's 2.5 or 3 million per month right now. This is 3-star hotel if you're interested to stay there. And then we are heading also the small street over here. There are some banks, stuff like this. You can see everything location on the left corner, down corner on the map. I speed up a little bit here because it's green light. Better not to stay. And this is the street already, the touristy street. But have to go a little bit more straight. So I will show you how it looks the area. And here, right here already they're starting the bars, the restaurants, and massage parlors and shopping strolls with the tourists gadgets like merchandise, clothes, stuff like this. So basically if you go right, this is the same street to Rock City, what I already passed, but this is one-way road complex over here, as you see. And this is already back to Kuta. Basically going straight is on the left will be the Ramayana Hotel and other part of Kuta what I will show you, and if you go right will be the Kuta Square again. So this is already Kuta. I know so excuse me, I know it's a little bit complicated maybe because Kuta have so many one-way road system. However, this is many of you who are more likely familiar with the area, you know there is so many massage parlors around, local guest house, some warung, sports bars, and obviously many shops closed unfortunately. And now on the left there are already hotels. I forgot the name, to be honest. I have to see more likely what's the name of the hotel over here. Royal San Gosari Kuta, and this is the 4-star hotel as you see on the map. And like here is the Kuta Point, small mall, shopping mall. Unfortunately everything is closed obviously. Oh, my camera shake now. And Ramayana Hotel. Many people ask me about the Ramayana Hotel in Kuta. Unfortunately Ramayana Hotel Kuta belongs closed. remains closed all the time. And so on the right, Kuta Square, on the left is the famous street where so many seafood restaurants in Kuta. Also, we got request last time to show this area, so here we go. Like all of this is the sports bars and restaurants, like a seafood restaurant, like here the big crab restaurant, many things. Unfortunately, all of this is totally closed since March 2020. Kuta Paradiso Hotel on the right, and this area of Kuta already looks super deserted actually, guys. If I have to be honest, whenever I pass this road, passing this road is super quiet. As you see, it's not even many local people passing this street. Obviously, yes, some people, but just look at this right now. It's just super quiet. There's some hotels around and restaurants, obviously. I'm sorry as the camera is a little bit shaky. I don't know exactly what's happened right now with the camera. I didn't realize that when before. Anyway, Buba Shrimp and famous Bali Garden Beach Resort on the right. This is very famous hotel. Many of you used to stay in this hotel or at least once or pass this hotel definitely, because during normal conditions this area is very famous. On the left is Water Boom Bali. Everybody heard about that. And on the right is the Lipo Mall and the Warung's Bamboo Bar Grill. And on the left, everything is closed right now. Discovery Mall is closed, but if it's open, it's super quiet inside. Many shops are already out, so the mall is nearly close to be bankruptcy, unfortunately. Now it's closed, so I don't know when they open how many shops gonna left there. And here is Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel and other hotels like Bali Rani and everything on the left. On the right, Hotel Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel is open. However, Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel for many years they have a contract with the Qatar Airways, because Qatar Airways crew used to stay there. Unfortunately, I see the sign is missing. I'm so sorry as the quality of the camera is a little bit shaky now. I think I got some error with the camera, but it's still not as bad. I hope so you still can enjoy. And I also got a technical problem with the map, so map is is gone for a while. But anyway, you already know the point. Got the point where I am just after the Kartika Plaza and heading now into Lipo Mall all the time. So that's how it looks, the situation. Anyway, as you see, area over here in Kuta is just super deserted, I have to say. This is the Gracie Kelly Irish pub. I used to make a vlog like a few weeks ago, maybe months ago. Also, I was alone there with Winnie and one guy, I think one customer only, and that's it. That's how it looks, the situation over here in Kuta area. As you see, not much is happening. And if you follow me on Instagram, you could see the Insta story about the road from the airport going to Kuta direction, and it was super quiet. I mean, like this, but no cars at all, only few bikes was driving around and on the main road from Kuta. So it's pretty sad, I have to say. That's how it looks, the situation. Kartika Plaza area. This is the Lipo Mall, famous mall. Also make a few vlogs over there also. Unfortunately everything is closed around, as you see. And well, I think that's it for today's ride around, and we will see how's the situation look like next time. So basically the situation looks like this. You can comment below what do you think about the current situation in Bali right here right now. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. If so, please big thumb up to help me to grow the channel. And like always, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.